Imagine what would happen if all of the Earth's oxygen vanished, even for only 5 seconds. Would we simply hold our breath? What may happen to the atmosphere? What will happen to the environment? This is what would happen if the planet lost oxygen for 5 seconds. Take a great, deep breath. See how satisfying it feels. What you're breathing in is oxygen, which makes up around 21% of our atmosphere, with nitrogen accounting for the other 78%. Although it is not the most abundant gas in our atmosphere, it is the most significant. Without oxygen, plants, animals, water, and humans would not be where they are today. 5 seconds may not seem like a long time to be without air. Most of us can spend at least 30 seconds without taking a breath. Therefore, it would occur too quickly for our body to detect. Your respiration would continue to function normally, but everything else would not. Without oxygen, the world would seem drastically different in only 5 seconds. You may say goodbye to the Hoover Dam, the Pantheon Dome, and any other concrete structures. These constructions would immediately collapse. Oxygen works as a particular binding agent for concrete. Without it, concrete is simply dust. In terms of architecture, any untreated metal would immediately fuse together. Metals are unable to fuse together due to an oxidation coating on their surfaces. Without such a barrier, metals would immediately attach to one another. If you chance to be lounging at the beach at the moment, prepare for a serious sunburn. The ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's UV radiation, comprises oxygen. Without oxygen, the Earth would become highly deadly. There would be nothing to protect us from the sun's UV radiation. In addition to becoming sunburned, our inner ear would erupt. Losing oxygen equals losing 21% of our air pressure. A significant shift in air pressure is akin to suddenly descending 2,000 meters from sea level. Our ears would have insufficient time to adjust. Are you having a nice time yet? Don't expect it to endure very long. Without oxygen, there is no fire. Vehicle combustion would be unable to occur. Any means of transportation that does not use electricity will fail immediately. Planes will crash from the skies, and millions of automobiles will be stopped in their tracks. The sky would be utterly dark before it collided with the Earth. The sun's light reflects off a variety of airborne particles. Without oxygen in the atmosphere, there are fewer things to bounce off, making the sky look darker. Oh, and during all of this, the Earth's crust would utterly shatter. That is because the Earth's crust contains 45% oxygen. The crust would crack and crumble until nothing remained, plunging you and everyone else on the world into free fall. Does this seem like fun? Probably not, but thankfully you can take a long breath of 21% oxygen knowing that this will never occur. Keep checking back with us for more interesting speculations.